After Bitcoin got its correction of more than 50%, there were a few cryptocurrencies which were holding it strong against Bitcoin and were making new all-time highs, or at least were maintaining its previous dollar values. One of such currencies is Matic. Now, over the past 2 weeks, Matic has seen an increase of about 30%, but in the past month, it has risen by over 100%. But the last 7 days hasn't been too good for Matic. So in today's video, we are going to cover a detailed technical analysis and price prediction about Matic, what it holds, and whether we should be buying Matic right now, selling our positions, or whether we should be waiting. So you definitely don't want to miss this video.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, or any other project, or have any questions about your portfolio, head over to Telegram and join our family. The link is given in the description below and it's completely free of cost. Now let's jump on to today's video and let's take a quick look on the Matic USD chart. So currently we are on the Matic US dollar 4-hour chart, and the first thing that comes to my notice here is that we were actually printing a bear flag. So what is a bear flag? A bear flag is one wherein we come from a fall from the top and then we print a few candles which tend to give us the feel that we are going up again. Now this is a bearish pattern, as we can see, and the target for the bear flag is very similar to what we have on the bull flag. So we measure the pole of the flag. So the pole of the flag we just measured and we just put it right on top of the breakdown point. So our price target for Matic was essentially at about $1.35 for this bear flag, but we went as low as $1.44 as of now. Now for the past few days, Matic has been a bit bearish, so has been the complete cryptocurrencies market. Let's take a quick look on the key support and resistance areas. For Matic, the key resistance is currently at about $1.56, from which we have got rejected multiple number of times. We treated it as a support couple of times, then once we broke below it, we have been treating it as a resistance for the past 5 candles or so, and the next level of support for Matic is down at $1.44. Now if we just pull out the simple moving averages, so here we can see that before going to the $1.44, there could be a support at about $1.39, which is basically the 200 period moving average on the 4-hour chart. So overall, on the Matic USD time frame, we are actually looking at some sort of correction going forward. But if we go to the weekly chart, so we will see basically that Matic has been holding its support at about $1.40. That is where the next support what we discussed in the 4-hourly time frame. But overall, we are still above the 20-week moving average, which is a bullish indication for us. So the 20-week moving average is at about 57 cents. So there's a lot of room for us to grow. But once we break this resistance or this support of $1.40, our next support would be down at about 87 cents or so. If we are able to hold that, that would be a good sign. But if we break it, we will definitely test the simple moving average, which at that point of time might be just increasing like this. So it is increasing as we know. So it is increasing like this. It can just flat out like this if we are coming down. So basically we might, by the time we reach the 87 cents, we might actually be testing the 20-week moving average. So that is something that we need to keep in mind. If we go to the Matic BTC chart, there is one thing that I would like to highlight you, and that is the key support and the resistance. So for that, we'll get the Fibonacci. So as you can see right here, key resistance is at about 4,500 satoshis or so, and currently we are trading at 4,310 satoshis. The support is down at about 4,150 satoshis. If I pull out the simple moving average ribbon, then we can see that we have a resistance at about 44.21 satoshis, which is the 20 period moving average. However, for me personally, what I feel is we will go down to these levels of 3650 satoshis. That is where our 200 period moving average is currently lying. On the Matic US dollar chart, it actually printed a very bearish candle a couple of days back, wherein we had tweeted about it as well. As you can see, we had tweeted about this, that Matic had just printed a gravestone doji candle on the 4-hour time frame. This is generally a trend reversal candle. So we had predicted this about a couple of days back. On the June 3rd, we had tweeted about it when Matic was trading at about $1.80. So I strongly recommend you that you follow us on Twitter, because that is where we keep you updated on the real-time basis of all the happenings from the world of cryptocurrencies. The link for our Twitter account is given in the description below. Also, for our premium members, we actually went in the last time when Polygon was at about $1.63 or so. Then it went up to $1.97 and we made a good profit. So congratulations to all our premium members who made profit on Matic on the last ride. Now what we are looking to do basically is, once we break the critical support areas that we have discussed, we might be shorting Matic, and the calls will be shared with our premium members. So if you want to join our premium list, do ping me on Telegram. The link for that is given on the description below as well as on the pinned comments. Now if we just quickly take a look on the Matic Ethereum chart also, the things are not looking good. We are on a downward trajectory, as we can see right here, and the next support could be at around the 45,000 mark. Mind you, I'm not just counting the zeros, I'm just telling you the numbers at the end. So we are currently at about 57,521, and I think the next support would be for Matic at about 44,701 if Ethereum continues to rise and Matic continues to fall. So that's pretty much it about this video from Matic. It was a much requested video from our community, so we made this video. So also let us know what are the other coins that you would like us to analyze. We'd be happy to do them for you. Also, if you have any questions, make sure you join our Telegram channel and you can ask it over there as well. Either me or someone from the community will be answering your questions. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video that we are publishing, and share it across your friends and family, and give them the opportunity to change their lives from crypto, because crypto is something that has changed my life personally. So thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.